In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Chewy gift card. If you want a fast, thoughtful gift for a pet parent, a Chewy e-gift card is a great choice, and the process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through each step so you know exactly what to expect. First, go to Chewy using your preferred web browser on your computer or phone. Once you're on the home page, find the search bar at the top and type gift card, then hit enter. This will bring up results related to gift cards. From the results, select the Chewy e-gift card page. We're focusing on the digital option, which is delivered by email, perfect for last-minute gifting or sending to someone who lives far away. On the e-gift card page, choose a design you like. Chewy typically offers a few fun pet-themed designs, so pick one that matches the occasion or the recipient's style. It's a small touch that makes the gift feel more personal. Next, pick an amount. You can choose anywhere from $25 to $500. Think about what the recipient might want to buy: food, treats, toys, or medications, and choose a value that fits your budget and their needs. Now, enter the recipient's email address. This is where the e-gift card will be delivered, so take a moment to double-check the spelling. A quick review here helps avoid delays or missed delivery. Add your name and a short message. This tells the recipient who the gift is from and lets you include a friendly note. Keep it clear and simple so it reads well in their inbox. When you're happy with your selections, click Add to Cart. This places the e-gift card in your shopping cart and you'll be taken to checkout. At checkout, either sign in to your existing Chewy account or continue as a guest. Signing in can make things faster if you've shopped with Chewy before, but guest checkout works just fine. Enter your payment details carefully. If you're signed in, you may be able to use a saved payment method. Otherwise, enter your information as requested. Make sure your billing details match your payment method to prevent issues. Before you place your order, quickly review the recipient email, the design, the amount, and your message. When everything looks right, click Place Order. You'll see a confirmation on the screen and you'll receive an email receipt. The recipient should get the e-gift card by email shortly. If they don't see it, they can check their spam or promotions folder. That's it. You've successfully bought a Chewy e-gift card.